Are you searching for answers? Have life's experiences pushed you to look beyond the ordinary, to question, to elevate, to understand more deeply? Welcome to a space built for seekers just like you. Through lessons, challenges, and revelations, Damien, the creator of this channel, was guided to look beyond the norm. What he discovered changed how he sees people, purpose, and the world itself. Now he's bringing those discoveries to you. This channel launches a new era of elevating the mind, body, and spirit. Discover more on YouTube at The Omnistians. Here you'll experience transformative teachings rooted in omnism and universal truth, spiritual music crafted to heal, soothe, and awaken, powerful seminars and workshops, deep dive conferences exploring hidden knowledge, elevation techniques that create real change, insights and wisdom you won't find anywhere else. This is where ancient understanding meets modern reality, where clarity, alignment, and spiritual growth become your new normal. If you're ready to release old limitations, awaken deeper awareness, and step into the prosperous, fulfilling life meant for you, subscribe now and join the Omnistian family, a community committed to unity, higher consciousness, transformation, and your next level of growth.